This is how to share video with a contact. Open the Photos app. Mine's right here on the home screen. If you can't find it there, tap on the spotlight search in the bottom, start typing in photos. You'll see it pop up here. Tap on it to open it. This is a screen capture video I took recently on my iPhone. And incidentally, if you want to know how to create screen captures on your phone, I have a video for that. Check that out on my channel. If I remember, I'll put it in the card up above and the description down below. To share it, there's a little box in the bottom left corner with an up arrow. Tap on that. Choose a contact you want to share it with. There's a list of recent contacts or suggestions that your phone thinks you might want to share with. These are usually people you've shared with before. So this may or may not have the person that you want to share with. If it doesn't, just tap on messages down at the bottom and then start typing in the name of the person you want to share with. In my case, I want to share with me, and it's going to load the video right into a new message thread. You still have to push the send button to actually send it. You can tap here to add a message. I'm going to type in nice video for my message and then hit the send button. And now that message has been sent to that contact. Because it's me, I'll get a notification in a minute, less than a minute. And there is the video. And it loads right inside of the message. They can tap to play the video in the message. And they can also tap this down arrow right here to save it to their phone. That's all there is to it. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. Believe it or not, these videos and things that are sent through messages, they take up space and they just stay on your phone for a long time because you don't clean them out. This video will show you how to clean all the secret spots on your phone to sometimes find a whole lot of space. So check out that video and I'll see you there.